I'm staying at Jose Guest House and Restaurant. So there's three floors above the restaurant here. So I'm staying on the first floor. There's two balconies. So let's have a look. The entrance is up the side alley here. It's a private entrance to the restaurant and bar. The entrance is right here. Don't get the outside, just put the outside restaurant down. It's nice, really nice inside. Here's their contact details. Right, here's the door to get in. You get your own key. Right, let's go upstairs. So each room has a different configuration. My one's just open plan. Doesn't have a kitchen. It's got a fridge, TV, couch. I'll show you in a second. Got the sunrise room. And there's more rooms upstairs. Right, so they've got a lock on the outside. You can just lock it when you get in the inside. Right, let's go inside. When you first walk in, you've got a fridge, got the couch, two large single beds. Let me turn the lights on. Okay, so this is the inside of the Airbnb, the guest house at Jose Restaurant. It's quite a big room. I'll take you through it. Now I'm just about to leave, so mind the mess. Start over here as you walk in. You got the fridge freezer, big fridge freezer. You got fan up here, you got aircon, books, TV, kettle, plates, knives, forks, everything you need. There is no kitchen area, no kitchen if you can't cook, but you got a microwave. You got two little balconies, two big balconies actually, one here and one over here. Yeah, pretty good. Now there's a bar hostel right there called Coco. Main reason I'm leaving this Airbnb guest house is because of noise. So noise goes to about 2 o'clock in the morning. I'm actually moving into this place over here. You see the view of the mountain, but I'm moving to the heritage for 6 to 7 days. All right, moving over here, fan, got the couch area. Got the bathroom. It's an old, Thai style shower. So every time you have a shower, the water piles up on the floor and you've got to use a mop to brush it all into the drain just behind the door. Hot water system. I don't mind it. Not ideal if you're not used to it, but it is what it is. Bum gun, probably the most powerful bum gun I've ever had. Bum gun. Over the bedroom area. Two beds, two large single beds with a large closet with plenty of coat hangers. And this is the other balcony. Yeah, all in all, it's a nice place, nice Airbnb. The aircon works okay, but you've got to have it on almost full time just for it to cool down because it gets very hot in here. So yeah, if you want to stay here, you'll see the number I've already posted as part of this video. It's above Jose Restaurant and Guest House. There's 3 floors. This is the sunset room. Then in the middle floor, then there's a top floor. I think all rooms are the same. I think one of the rooms has a separate living area and a bedroom. Comes with golf clubs if you play golf. Ask the owner, let you use them. Any questions, let me know. And yeah, I hope you enjoy this short review. I don't know if you can hear the noise across the street, but every night until about 2 o'clock, loud music. So yeah, great apartment. However, the only problem is the hostel across the road has a band, not a band, but a DJ every night. Righto. Hey everyone, I hope you enjoyed the short review of the apartment. It's a really good place, just the music is really annoying. The owners have tried to sort it out, but to no avail. Anyway, enjoy. Hope this helps you.